Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another makeup tutorial. So I was kind of thinking along the lines of like carnival colours, so I just wanted to make this look really colourful just in time for spring. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Just to start off this tutorial, I just put on a shadow shield and I'm going to be using the Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival palette. I think I'm just going to be working with the usual three shades I always tend to go for in this palette. So the first one I'm going to take is this bright orange shade and it's in the shade Lit. So I'm just going to start by packing this lip shade on just in that inner corner, and I'm mainly packing this in the crease. I sometimes think to myself, is it me or is it this palette or is it because I haven't got the P. Louise eye base? But I sometimes struggle for this palette to work for me and I don't know why, but that is not blending. Like, I've had more problems with this palette than I've had problems with every single palette that I own. So I'm now going to go into the pink shade from the palette and I'm just going to pop this again in the upper crease area just beside where that orange shade is. Next shade I'm going to take is the purple from the palette in the shade Wasted. I do not know why I'm using a blending brush to pack on a colour, you know. So I'm going to change to a Ciara Daly packing brush. There, that's better. Don't get me wrong, like, this is such a fab palette. Like, the shades in the palette are brilliant. The pigmentation is brilliant. I don't know. So I'm going to go back into that pink shade. Just going to take the tiniest bit and I'm just going to blend the pink and the yellow together. The pink and the purple together. So I'm now just going to go back in and deepen up these shades. We're just going to go into the orange one first and just deepen that up. Okay, so I'm now just going to grab the concealer and just going to use this to cut my crease. That looks awful. Holy shit! So I'm just going to take a wee definer brush and I'm just going to pat at that concealer just to take all the excess product off and so that it's not as sticky. I'm just going to use that wee definer brush just to blend this area just down into that outer corner. I'm just going to take a bit of the Helen E Clear Shine Gel. So I'm just going to use this as a base for my glitter. So then the glitter I'm going to use is from Stargazer and these are their glitter shakers for hair, body and party application. So this is in the shade UV Orange. Oh, this is so nice. I'm just going to start packing that on. Oh! I don't even know if you can see that properly yet or not. I'm going to go into the palette again. I'm going to take this purple shade. I'm going to take on a blending brush. I'm just going to start by packing this purple shade just at this outer corner again. And then just bringing it into the glitter. I'm going to take a bit of that pink shade. Gonna take that orange shade. Oh, that looks quite nice actually. So I have the NYX Vivid Brights liner in Vivid Violet, I think it's called. Okay, so I'm now just going to go for that purple liner with the purple shade Wasted from the Carnival palette. Okay, so I think we're starting to get somewhere now. So I just prepped my skin with the Caudalie grape water. It's just kind of like a spray. And now I'm just going to go in with some foundation. So this is the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade Fawn. I think it's a wee bit too orange for me, or maybe it's okay. I think it's because my hair is so like white at the minute that nearly every foundation I put on it's like, oh no. I'm just going to use this like Life Proof concealer. Oh, I forgot to do my nose. I'm just going to set everything in place with just my usual wee Technique setting powder. So the entire I'm just going to use the London Copyright Highlight Palette, and this is volume 1. So I think I'm just going to take this bottom shade here, which is in the shade Daly. So then for blush, I'm going to be using the Life's a Peach blush by L'Oreal. Just taking this blush today because it's more of a peachy tone, because I kind of want it to match my eyes. To bronze the skin, I'm going to be using this wee Estee Lauder Sculpting Blush Palette. Estee Lauder bronzers are honestly so underrated, but they're just so nice. Like, they're such nice bronzers. For lipstick, I'm going to be using the Colourful Bullet lipstick, and this is in the shade Carousel. So it's just kind of like a peachy nude. I really don't know what to do on my lower lash line. I think I might just go crazy and just go for purple. Yeah, do you know what? I'm just going to keep it purple. So yeah, the purple shade. So I'm just going to try and keep that as tight to the lower lash line as possible, although it doesn't necessarily matter too much because I'm going to blend it out anyway. Okay guys, so this is the completed makeup look. I told you we would get there in the end. We always do. I'm always like filming some tutorials and I'm like, shit, this looks like a heap of crap. And then we get there. I'm absolutely loving it. I absolutely love the colours. To me, this makeup look just screams summer and spring, festivals, carnivals, cocktails, love and life. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you again for watching. I said that the wrong way around. We'll start that again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. That's more like it. Boom!